today I'm gonna make this the same slime that I made this. So it's kind of sticky because look, if I do this, stretch that, keep on doing this. See, get stuck. See, get stuck all over it. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe and smash that subscribe button and go check out our channel. So and like that, that like button. Let's get started. So I have my stuff right here. Might be hot today. So this is gonna be stretchy and colorful like it is. So yeah. So I made this. Okay, I'm gonna do this. This is all. And yes, I'm gonna make clear slime too. So I have to pick clear. I'm not picking no the green. I'm gonna pick again. That's what I did in. So I'm gonna stir now. It turned purple because there was already a blue, so I just turned it purple. That's so funny. Now I'm gonna add baking soda. My baking soda is almost gone. Oh my gosh. So yes, I'm gonna make clear slime, and this one I made it clear slime, but I put this in it, and I put some color in it too. That's how it gets turned green. So that's why. It don't even stick to your head. Yeah, I'm messy. So, I am pretty messy. Pretty messy. So, I am a great artist, so if y'all want slime, say me. Comment down below if you want slime, say me if you want them. And I was in Izzy with the bag, so comment down below. Love y'all. Trenton, if you see this, Trenton Coop, if you see this, I love you so much. I miss you. So, on this one. out that my cat was stuck in a freaking driver's seat. I said, Oreo, like I had to literally go outside because I heard him. He found meowing because we have the door open. See, it did it. This is all, but I'm gonna make holding slime. It's kind of sticky. Let's put more of these. That's all. Now I'm gonna keep on rubbing. See? Now it's good. Good. It's good. Now I'm gonna show you the slime that I make. So yeah. It's blue. Oh, it's kind of like purple a little bit, and it's sticky. So yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all up closer. And then just get some stuff all over me. I cannot even do nothing with these nails at all. Just have to do this. So yes, sometimes I'm gonna put like soap. So let's get to the next round. I'm back. Now I'm gonna do clear glue. This is my last round. Because I did 2 slides. So this is my last round, then we can play a game. Now let's get started. Look, I cleared all this out. Kind of. So let's get started. Sometimes you can't see it. See, I'm gonna turn it on the light because I can even see it. See, it's like water. Everything is water. Hannah Stocking, I want you to look at what page, please. This would be a big slime. I should have a gallon of glue, but that's enough. So yeah. Ew, don't put hair in my slime. Ew. Ugh. So we gotta get started. So this is kind of different. I'm not gonna be putting this in. So I'm going to use this and not coloring because I want to do it